The following video contains scenes that is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey my youth, you know what I watch? Dancehall. Alright viewers and subscribers, this is the Dancehall Skiller and I want to say greetings to each and everyone. Now, there is two pieces of videos that is out on social media that shows of a robbery of a supermarket that had been disrupted by two off-duty police officers. Now, it has also been said that one of the persons that was involved in the robbery is said to be a musician that is from the country of Trinidad and Tobago. Now, this incident had happened on the 31st of October 2019 at Santa Cruz in Trinidad and Tobago. Now, based on my understanding of reports that has been made about this incident, is that four men armed with guns robbed a supermarket that is located in Santa Cruz of Trinidad and Tobago, and they were attempting to make an escape in a motor vehicle when they were challenged by two off-duty police officers. It has been said that the gunmen opened fire at the off-duty police officers and the off-duty police officers returned fire, hitting two of the four suspects. One of the suspects was laying on the ground injured, while the other three suspects fled the scene, leaving the motor vehicle. It has also been reported that the other suspect that had been injured was also captured by the police. Now, I am about to show you two videos so that you can have a better understanding as to what had happened, and you can also tell me what you think. But bear in mind that these two videos shows of one of the suspects that had been injured laying on the ground, while one of the videos shows of the actual shooting that had happened where two of the suspects had been injured. Now, viewers and subscribers, I'm about to show you these videos, but before I show you these videos, I have to warn you that some of the scenes in these videos, it is not suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised. And if you like how I present my videos to you, you can let me know in the comment section. And if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Alright? Observe.
Affiliate is a good thing that's passing. But who gets shoot? Who's that? They get one. Who's this park up here? So get fried.
Dead!
Where the police gone? He from up here?
Fucking
That's not your foot.
your fucking mouth!
Your hand. Touching.
Yeah, come now, go Melons. I was not.
But it's bush. Oh my gosh. It's bush. It's bush. Why are you doing that? Them boy and I'm singing them.
Ah, yes.
Why would you want next bullet? What the ass? Oh, they don't know who is he? Oh, the big singer from up here. Yeah.
I'm like, I'm